We are MIB College, the first baking school in Malaysia. We want to inspire you to express your creative side and also share the delicious creations. Because what's more fulfilling than being able to share amazing good food with family and friends? We are excited to share our new project, a project that is all about you. You tell us what you want to learn and what questions you have, what recipes excites you the most. Tell us what makes you happy. We want to teach everyone how to bake from the comfort of your own home. So what we have for you is that we'll be launching a series of videos. It will be a series of 10 videos with the Christmas theme. We will also have a live session that you can sign in and participate in. So with that, you'll be able to ask our chefs any questions on baking, ingredients, equipment, or any troubleshoots after you have created and did the product. Learning is a two-way process. We want your energy and your enthusiasm in baking. Provide us your feedback, register here, and join us in this live demo session with our chef instructors, who you'll be able to connect and ask questions, and we will be more than happy to guide you and share this journey of baking with you. Enjoy and happy baking!